screen, this person invested about 80 something thousand naira. And in less than 2 months, this was in February, in less than 2 months, this person has gained over 100K. If in 2026 you still believe that investment is only for the rich, then your deliverance is after the second coming of Jesus Christ, because I do not know what to say to you. Last 2 weeks, when a lot of people were reposting screenshots of the dividends they received from investing in stocks, someone commented that I still believe and maintain firmly that investment is for the rich. I was like, no, you can't be serious. And if you're on this table, you would never start investing sooner because you keep procrastinating. This year, you think things will be better and you'll start investing. Things didn't turn out the way they should. Next year again, you go again. 2028, you go again. 2029, you go again. And like that, you're shifting the goalpost. And one thing about investment is that time is of essence. Time is of essence because you earn more money every day. Have you noticed that if you put your money in piggy vest or carry wise, your interest accumulates daily? So if you check today, your interest might be something naira. The next day you see that figure has changed. That is what we call compound interest. So when this person tweeted, this person was referring to investment in stocks being for the rich. That is a huge mistake because that is actually the investment that any poor person should be making. Well, you have to know your risk appetite. But the stock market is the market where you can put in thousands and in a matter of months you're a millionaire because your money appreciates in multiples. And I always tell people that if you don't have enough money to invest, then you have to up your risk appetite, especially if you're in your 20s. There's no reason why you should not be investing in the stock market. Quite all right, the stock price goes up and down, but if you're very smart about picking the right stocks, then even if you are going to lose out, it's going to be very, very minimal. And I'm very sure that you're not going to lose out if you look at the fundamentals. If you are very particular about the fundamentals of a particular stock, I don't see how you are losing out. Not allow anyone to discourage you. I'm going to give you 2 examples. I once had a student who messaged me that they wanted to start investing in stocks. And at the time, I think she only put in 50K. This was when Nigerian stocks were yet to be listed on Bamboo. So it was just US stocks. And this person invested in US stock with just 50,000 naira. At the time, naira to dollar was below 1,000 naira. And this person invested in Nvidia. Nvidia appreciated. Nvidia was about $120 or so. Now it is about 200 and something dollars. Apart from the stock appreciating, which this lady has gained from, the exchange rate also went as high as 1518. Currently now 1,300 to 1,400. So this person actually gained in 2 ways: exchange rate and also from the stock price appreciation. So imagine if someone had discouraged that, oh, you want to invest 50,000 naira in a US stock, where would the money be today? Another example I'm going to give you is someone who puts in less than 100,000 naira in a Nigerian stock. You can see on the screen, this person invested about 80 something thousand naira. And in less than 2 months, this was in February, in less than 2 months, this person